Welcome to our channel. To discover the best hidden downloader codes for Firestick apps in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Firestick and navigate to the home screen. Ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Launch the downloader app from your Firestick. If it's not installed, download it from the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Click on the URL bar in the downloader app to bring up the keyboard interface. Step 4. Type in one of the best hidden downloader codes. Enter it exactly as provided. Step 5. Hit Go to start downloading. The hidden app will begin downloading to your Firestick. Step 6. After the download completes, tap Install on the installation prompt. Step 7. Open the hidden app and explore exclusive content and features not available through regular channels. Step 8. Enjoy access to premium streaming services with these secret codes discovered for Firestick users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.